so in this one, again, we're doing some before and after. This is obviously the before, but want to show you what we can do with some unique shapes and arching. And so we'll have basically a frame that will fit what you see as the sheetrock, and then we'll have 3 individual panels, and the center one obviously continuing right up into the arch. And so we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So here we are back in the master bedroom for the after. So we've got our shutter installed. We've got 3 doors, full arch here in the center. And one thing to kind of note on any kind of shutter, whether it's a front center bar or the hidden tilt, your tilt bar is designed essentially to hold your louvers on a similar plane when they're open. When you close it, it's not necessarily going to close everything up. So if I just push here, this still kind of sits open. So if you kind of run your hand, it'll help push them closed. So they're not just going to, you know, if you just push the bottom, the top sits open. So kind of run your hand, and that's how you get them more closed. And you do notice there's a little light that still comes through, so they're not a blackout product. And then opening, just grab a louver, pull it open, and good to go.